And it's about yellow fever. This is a release from Ghana Health Service and confirmed cases of yellow fever, Brong Ahafo and Volta regions. Over the past 4 weeks, the Ghana Health Service has received reports of confirmed yellow fever cases from Brong Ahafo and Volta regions. A total of 4 cases with no deaths have been reported. 3 are from Jam and South District in the Brong Ahafo region and 1 from Central Town District in the Volta region. There is no need to panic. The emphasis is on there is no need to panic as the cases are confined to a few communities in the aforementioned districts, and previous widespread vaccination in 2012 in those districts provided most people with immunity against yellow fever. It goes on. Signs and symptoms of yellow fever. Yellow fever is a viral hemorrhagic disease. It causes bleeding which may come out from any of the body openings. Example, the nose, mouth, bloody stools, vomiting blood, and the end stage. The symptoms may also include fever with jaundice in the early stages. Fever with at the early stages.
Fever and jaundice.
Yeah, at the early stages with multiple organ dysfunctions resulting in kidney and liver failure. Treatment. Treatment is mostly symptomatic. Mode of spread. Spread is through the bite of infected 8 mosquitoes. And preventive measures. Prevention is by vaccination. The vaccine is very effective. 1 injection of the vaccine protects one for life. Avoidance and protection against mosquito bites. Yellow fever card. Okay, so the way forward, the risk of further transmission is low due to high yellow fever vaccination coverage in routine EPI and previous preventive vaccination campaign. However, we need to sustain enhanced surveillance, intensive public education of the disease, preventive measures, and what to do if one suspects yellow fever. So it's signed Director General, Ghana Health Service. So that's it.
It's not bad here, but because areas no crowd. Ya war baby panient or more areas no cry. This one book. And who say more definitely him when wasum sabe who came or talk Bema or Beman any idea. A bit me about say, to know how to one among.
Well, if I did command, sir, on 0302211701 up to 4 education, there be also. Oshebiana new biwani na otimi afese unuabi wankasa wo ofabi unanabi ebiana esubi dead ya ya koyenti se de Ghana Health Service in paying for dia brain and tempa what is a bia be obi ayarse bia no wakono wakope vaccine bi but any common 0302211701 up to 4 0302211701 up to 4 ora a call o say Osofo Reverend Dixon 24 Sapon ICGC Kofodia Ochian Anapay Odia call Yachia Unya Greater Works is so much. All right, we do. May go super say a page more. But the more and the more
and more in Radium, I'm still quite to me. And the other mamma brought from the Yakabama. What's that? No matter of quite. Oh, customs accident, yes. Oh, touching my contempo. The Kentampo. And a piano will be the Bremy and name say, they see it. Touch my Kentampo. Touch my accident, yes, the more. Now, post for me when yes, touch my Kentampo Quantempo or Monco no more and correct the we'll pick it. I'll pick it by. Okay. And so the commanders are more Kentamponi Techima and a DC for more MC for Techima and Kentampo. On my who the AC said to say. What PK was say Mahama and NDC have performed abysmally in all the sectors of the economy. So 2016, let's vote for visionary, competent, incorruptible Nana Adom and Honorable Evans Bobie as MP, Sunafo North. Tia enko swamai member of parliament wo gina mu diama MPP ne swamai ade an pay me chia papa enra nkra na mete ye se ema say ima wo se upiem odunkwa no fe a BC candidate omo ho nyina da ade a ochia wo omo ene ade a na happy birthday enkoma o se wish honorable Emmanuel Kwache AK Swedro DC happy birthday Swedro DC honorable Emmanuel Kwache AK Swedro DC happy birthday ko. Well
minute me santa me page mama Wallace Jeff Sadarama or Diago Kesee Edia bro but 0302 211701 up to 4 in your frank baba kan ho e wa say the Diago Kesee Edia bro.
Joseph Vule na e wa woda Joseph Vule any patient dede asare mo akosombo presbytery.
I was saying good morning. Apoti saying
Enkramunchia they have a good morning. Then say enyefe some me gidi say mo so mo ye de.
Na me shy.
Yo we de me fanchia ma yenuanom kramofo ye ne o ma gura be pom na ye ya chama Sumaila.
Ye ya ajumi.
Ane ye Mariam Ibrahim and also El Kasua Betium Diamomo Ramadan Papa de Mbewi Asumbium na Ediapuaso Abatui so Afaya Sumbiamaye. Na Omai me anopedie Matem Yitiawa Abasubodi and Amide Mamo. Isan say Mujuma di aso nipa satellite installation ya Massive segment. Now how can man for the way obviously 2 America a pair so be a very can and Ediana. I did the PC na the Pompey a mammo. The canker of phone wafi in 30 days no Edia room. Na Bidia to top of it. So yeah, near city of fit, but on chum, do tell the name the Kahon. I see the Yamiadum, the young you.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, yes, that's it.
We be and ho kan bra ye fidie no na ye ho adwuma no. Mantumi anhwe da ba ko na me no bi because ebi no mo hostel omo entumi nya omo de no. Mo fa nche. Mo am boxes nso ache 4 to 5 years. Eno wo ya anya yi. Enti wo soso a na ya ma wo soso a. Ai na ya ma foforo mo nya ne sa mai na obi wo ho a wo kan say yes. Hey! Mo fa nche ate. Fa nche na ja. Ade papa bia no eya na obre na unya.
Happy birthday come Mrs. Feeling Daddy what I call from Mrs. Priscilla Ogo Asari ukuno Feeling Daddy.
Feeling Daddy. Feeling Daddy.
And I say
and was what wish wo.
DSP
so atumpa boya na papa.
Otias DSP.
Oh no dey won dey so ka kire wo nyame. Dan wo no me bia no kumase a wo so odi me pie. Ekosi san. Ekosi san.
94.7.
Happy birthday, Koma Gabriel Kede. Kumasi Ahensan. Yes, 75 years. Happy birthday to you. Wow. 75 days. Papa. Happy birthday. And Koma Pastor Reverend Ransford Obey. Wow.
Oh.
See, so Penny. And now I would happy birthday. Very simple man, I'm telling you. One of the simplest pastors. Who do naturally them on now who said ya or dress a crowd, you'll be surprised. Very simple, made in Ghana. Was Shana Sandala, or about when you say on one, and so I and then I would have Penny Ransford.
I see. So, Yerbesianisa, na Yada Munina must say, Dr. Frank, Pipa,
You didn't Ghana.
Hey.
Oh, Germany. And you know what?
But managing situations.
Oh, what's it?
On situation management.
Papa, so one year it is an year.
Okay, so
you was one year bonny be artist and year.
So, or the Biasho, conditional clause, do I show? On yes, she just a bar. And just one yam. Okay, no, come now once. Okay, what I say?
Obano,
on to an amobia. Name say Obano.
Just what done, ho papa na pa. Na near more chance.
But we are tasso say.
Near more to me chance. What done what it is.
We are tasso say.
We are tasso so. Make near man sa. 1 year. Just a wow.
Ah, emo se mano. Pepa. Oh, Dr. Frank, you know, I want to say the audio can say Reggie Fax Father Roma. Doc Manikwe.
Last answer for.